The American Indian Community Housing Organization, or AICHO, transforms oppression into opportunity. Created in 1993, AICHO started in a parking lot outside a social service agency with a conversation between Native community members who asked why our community had no resources, no community spaces, and no services that met our cultural needs. AICHO was created as an indigenous response to social conditions in Duluth, Minnesota, powered by the urban Native American community. Today, AICHO offers an American Indian Community Center, multiple units of permanent supportive housing, a domestic violence emergency shelter, legal advocacy, a climate and cultural resiliency initiative, social enterprise activities, youth programming, and an arts and cultural initiative. All of our work is anchored in our mission to honor the resiliency of Indigenous people by strengthening communities and centering Indigenous values in all aspects of our work. Our philosophy is that every American Indian person deserves to live in a nonviolent and non-threatening environment and has the right to be treated with dignity and respect. AICHO is changing the narrative in our community by asserting our political and cultural ties to the land and forging a commitment to build sustainable, community-owned practices. AICHO is symbolic of a resurgence in Indigenous community and cultural power.